Hello there and welcome back to DaveTech. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the Soul Player onto your Android TV, TV box or Google TV. We use the code method with the download application. This method is going to be compatible with any device running an Android operating system. If you don't have the download application already, click the link in the description below. Watch the tutorial I prepared on how to get this application to your Android TV. When gotten, click it to get in, go home, and input the code. For the Soul Player, the code is 5632541. Click go, and you will see a toggle redirecting you to this website. Wait for a few seconds, and you'll be redirected to a site with the download link. Now your download should begin automatically, just like this. When complete, click on the next button and you see the install. When your download is complete, install it to your Android TV, delete the package file if necessary. If there isn't a package file, it's actually going to save space on your Android TV, TV box or your Google TV. That's been it for this tutorial. If you found insight in this, like, share, subscribe, hit that bell icon to never miss an update, and I'll see you in the next video.